This is your screencast for a two-way table, a two-way categorical data analysis. So we have two categorical variables that we're going to look at, amount and frequency. To get the two-way table, you're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs to do the cross tabulation. And it does not matter where your rows or what your row or column variable is. For statistics, we're just going to use the chi-square. We're not going to worry about anything else on this page. In your cells, kind of choose what you want, but there will be times when I ask you for the observed, the expected, and the unstandardized residuals. We don't really need anything other than this. And if you want that bar chart that I showed you in class, you can click on that box right there. So here's what we wind up with. Here is your cross-tabulation analysis right here. So we've got the actual count. We've got, go away, come over here, the actual count, the expected count, and then the residual. So 0, 17.8, and then their difference. Row and column totals as well. We've got our chi-squared analysis here. So we're really going to stick with the first line of this table. The Pearson chi-squared is 756. The p-value is 0.00. This degrees of freedom I forgot to mention in class. This is the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1. So we've got R is, what's R? R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 minus that would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1 minus that would be 3. 5 times 3 is 15. There's your degrees of freedom right there. R minus 1 times C minus 1. Our p-value is highly significant, less than any alpha that we've used, so we will reject the null hypothesis, say that these two categorical variables are dependent. We can say they're associated. We also examine this right here. This talks about our assumptions that all expected cell counts must exceed 5. We do have one cell count that is less than 5, just barely, so you want to mention that in your write-up.